Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently, a lot of you have been asking how to create a QR code for your business, and today I want to show you just how easy it is using a few lines of Python. QR codes are incredibly useful in today's world. You can use them for your business, wedding invitation, business profiles, and even on your business card. So stick around and let's get started creating QR codes quickly and easy. Let's open Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna position it right here. This is Visual Studio Code, and we will open also from Finder. We will open Downloads and come here and position it right here. So everything we work here, we're gonna be able to see it right here. The first step we need to create is open a folder. I'm gonna open a folder. In this case, I'm gonna open this folder here, empty folder, where I have all my downloads, which if you can see there is nothing here. The second step is gonna be create a file. We're gonna call it myqrcode.py, and it will create my file. If you look here at your right, you're gonna see in the downloads folder, which is where I'm working at, you have your first file created. It's called myqrcodes.py. This here in the bottom, it's called the terminal. For the terminal, I'm gonna activate my environment, and I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna select my environment here from Conda. Now that everything is ready, I'm gonna start typing. And the first thing I'm gonna import is, I'm gonna import a new library. It's called import QR code. That's the new library. And from Pill stands from pillow, and it's a library that works with image. I will import image because one of the end results, I want to be able to get an image. Of course, it's gonna be a square image, and then you can print it out or anything. The other important thing that we need, even before start writing the code or anything, is let's call it data. It's gonna be a variable because right now you can use it for your business or for your wedding card or your even personal card. You're gonna need a URL code or a link. Way there at the end, we are gonna add a link there. Then let's start creating the QR code. The QR code, it's gonna be equal to QR code from the library dot QR code. Let's open parentheses. Start working version equal 1. If we get an error, we want a correction equal QR code. This one constant dot error. Let's go with the L comma. Then we want a box size of the box. Let's think maybe 10 pixels. Yes, 10 pixels should be fine. And the border, it has to have a border. It's gonna be 4. So okay, that's the code for the QR code. Then let's start for the QR code. We are gonna add data. And the data we're gonna add is, we want to add the link. It's gonna be the data. We are gonna create a QR code. That QR code we create, and we want to add the data there. And let's say QR code make, and then fit equal true, because we want everything that it is created in the QR code fit there, and we don't want to oversize anywhere. Now, we're gonna create 2 different QR codes. We want to create one wide, that way we can copy and paste it anywhere, and we can use it everywhere. But there is another format we like to use, people that use Photoshop, PowerPoint, and things like that. There is an option, it's called PNG, and what we do is you get the black QR code, but then you get the background and transparent. I think that's a good idea to have both of them. So I think for this tutorial, we're gonna do both things. That way you can use whichever you want. So let's start creating the one for the white. So image, let's say image black and white. It's equal to the QR code make image fill equal black, and then back color equal white. I think I'm gonna save that one. Path, it's gonna be white. Path for the white background, it's equal. Here's where I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna do it in this location. Usually for Mac users, it's gonna be users/Diegues in my case, and then it's gonna be download. And then after that, we need to give a name to the file. Let's think on something. QR code white background. and then .png, because we want to save the format in PNG. Remember that the PNG format is the one that if you want to have a clear background, you can have it and then you can put it in your PowerPoint or anything. But in this case, this is the white image. And then let's say that here's where we create a file, image black and white dot save, and then path white background. And then now that we have the white one, let's create, so far we don't have any errors in the code. Let's create the transparent. Image equal transparent equal same thing, QR make image. Then for the fill equal black, because here's where the code goes. And then for the back color equal none. That looks good, yes. Then let's do the same thing. It's gonna be path for transparent background. It's equal to, same thing, users, Diegues, let's type Diegues, download. Then this one is gonna type it QR code transparent, core BG background, then PNG. So user Diegues downloads QR code transparent background, PNG, that's perfect. Let's create image transparent dot save. That's the formula to save, and then let's say the path in the path, which is path transparent background. Now let's pay attention. I'm gonna type path white background, comma, and path transparent background. Once I run it, if I haven't had any error in my code, it should create for me two different files, two QR codes. One is gonna be white and black, and the second it's gonna be transparent. If I run the code, I get an error. Say file not found, not such a directory, and Diegues download, and my direct. First, I forgot to add a link, and for my link, I have my LinkedIn URL. I'm gonna paste it here. That's my LinkedIn proof. And then it says that users Diegues downloads QR code. It's not found. I think I forgot last year. Let's try now once again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Now you can see here QR code transparent background PNG and QR code white background. Okay, let's test that out. I'm gonna open this one, and now having that QR code there, come here. And voila, here is the profile. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you to see how simple it is to create your own QR code using Python. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Feel free to drop out any question or ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear how you are using QR codes for your business or personal project. Until next time, take care.